It's day 232 of 2016 and today Twitter is launching a filter for abuse, Microsoft bringing the holographic UI to the PC, Nokia is making a comeback and more. This is FoneArena Daily. Let's begin. With anonymous accounts, trolling and abuse are commonplace on Twitter, so the company is finally taking up measures in the right direction. They have announced something called the quality filter, which you can access in the notification settings. This has been tested with verified accounts for over a year. So what it basically does is it finds out the origin and builds up context based on the earlier tweets of the user who is reportedly abusing you right now. It also filters out words which are commonly used in abuse, and this is going to help in reducing the amount of notifications which are abuse for many celebrities. So this is going to happen when you switch on the quality filter, and you can further do it by making only people you follow tweet to you. So that is also possible in accordance with the quality filter. So that's going to happen on Twitter to curb abuse, but is it going to be used as a tool to curb freedom of expression as well? That only time can tell. Microsoft is bringing its holographic UI, which it uses on the HoloLens to render Windows 10 on a 3D environment, and it's bringing it to the PC so that VR manufacturers or VR headset manufacturers can take advantage of it. So Intel is also a partner here. Microsoft and Intel are going to build that reference that Intel has already built with RealSense and give it to manufacturers in China and Taiwan so that they can build their own headsets based on this reference, and Windows 10 can be the choice of operating system there. So it's a strategy that's very similar to what Microsoft did when compared to Apple in the PC space, well back in the day. So that's the same strategy Android took for mobile phones. Now Windows is taking it for VR headsets. Let's see where this goes. It's an open secret now that every company in the world wants to get into self-driving, and Uber already said that it's getting into self-driving and it's also developing a solution. Now it has announced that Volvo will be the company of choice for partnering and developing these self-driving autonomous vehicles for commercial use, which is very well what Uber is planning to do. So Uber has a self-driving solution already. You can see that in the image. There is a big panel of sensors on the top of the car which will help it in self-driving. So this is going to evolve. So Volvo and Uber are developing a base reference model so that it can evolve slowly when new technology becomes easier, more accessible, and they can add onto this car. And not only that, Uber has acquired another company called Otto, which is about self-driving trucks. Both these acquisitions are putting Uber in the front seat of the self-driving car race, but let's see where the industry goes from here. When Microsoft acquired Nokia, a deal was made. In this deal, it was mentioned that until Q4 of 2016, Nokia or any other company will not be able to use the Nokia brand name on smartphones. But it's ending. Q4 2016 is coming very fast. And recently, HMD Global, a Chinese manufacturer, got the branding license from the Nokia company. So the company has also started its operations in Finland. And the news is that 4 smartphones and a tablet may be up for release in the coming months. And this was announced by the HMD executive or someone who is close to the company. So this is happening, and it's quite exciting because Nokia brand name is still huge and still resonates with a lot of people, including me and you. But I want to ask you as this point of discussion. With Android as the platform of choice, do you think the brand name Nokia could still live up to the expectations that were created by people who might not still work there? That's a really interesting question, and I would like to know what you think. That's about it for the show. Do check out the deal of the day and the link in the description and all the stories as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later with more technology news.